Rumpleteazer. We were notorious couple of cats, as knockabout clowns, quick change comedians, tightrope walkers and acrobats. We have an extensive reputation. We make our home in Victoria Grove. This is merely our centre of operation, for we are incurably given to rove. When the family assembles for Sunday dinner, their minds made up that they won't get dinner. On Argentine joints, potatoes and greens, then the cook would appear from behind the scenes and say in a voice that is broken with sorrow, I'm afraid you must wait and have dinner tomorrow. The joint has gone from the oven like that. Then the family will say, it's that horrible cat. Was it Mungojerrie or Rumpleteazer? And most of the time, they leave it at that. Mungojerrie and Rumpleteazer have a wonderful way of working together. And some of the time you would say it was luck, and some of the time you would say it was weather. We go through the ass like an hurricane, in lonesome but lonesome to take his oath. Was it Mungojerrie or Rumpleteazer? Or could you have sworn that it might have been both? And when you hear a dining room smash, or up from the pantry there comes a loud crash, or down from the library came a loud ping from a vase which was commonly said to be Ming. Then the family will say, now which was which cat? It was Mungojerrie and Rumpleteazer.